Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update closing cost estimates with Bankrate detailed guide step by step clearly. To update closing cost estimates with Bankrate, start by visiting the Bankrate website. Once on the home page, locate the mortgage section in the navigation menu. Click on the closing costs link to access the related tools and resources. You will find a closing cost calculator option. Click on it to proceed. Enter the necessary information about your property, including its location. Select the type of mortgage you are interested in, such as fixed rate or adjustable rate. Input the purchase price of the home and the loan amount you are considering. Specify your credit score range to tailor the estimates to your financial profile. Next, provide details about the loan term, typically 15 or 30 years. After filling in all required fields, click on the Calculate button. The tool will generate an estimate of your closing costs based on the information provided. Review the breakdown of costs, including origination fees, appraisal fees, and title insurance. If you want to modify any figures, return to the input fields and make your adjustments. Once satisfied with your estimates, consider downloading or printing the results for your records. You can also compare different scenarios by adjusting the input data and recalculating. For further assistance, consult Bankrate's articles and resources related to mortgage and closing costs. Remember to stay informed about changes in fees and rates as they can affect your estimates. Use the knowledge gained to negotiate better terms with lenders as you move forward. Keep your updated estimates handy when discussing closing costs with your mortgage lender. This ensures you are well prepared for any upcoming discussions regarding your home purchase. By following these steps, you'll have a clearer understanding of your closing costs through Bankrate's reliable estimates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.